Why migrate to clouds? Organizations migrate to cloud because it's more flexible, scalable, and cost-effective than traditional systems. Cloud computing allows businesses to access storage, software, and computing power through the internet without buying expensive hardware. Companies only pay for the resources they use, which reduces costs. Cloud services also make it easier to scale resources up or down depending on demand. For example, businesses can quickly increase server capacity during busy periods. In addition, cloud computing supports remote work because employees can access systems and files from different locations. It also improves backup, disaster recovery, and system availability. Explain no ops. No ops stand for no operations. It's an approach where many IT operation tasks are automated or managed by cloud providers instead of being handled manually by operations team. Tasks such as server management, scaling, updates, and monitoring can be automated through cloud platforms. The main goal of NoOps is to allow developers to focus more on building applications instead of managing infrastructure. It improves efficiency, speeds of software deployment, and reduces human error. However, organizations still need IT professionals to manage security, system design, and major technical issues. Discuss multi-cloud. Multi-cloud is the use of multiple cloud service providers within one organization. For example, a business may use Amazon Web Services for storage, Microsoft Azure applications, and Google Cloud for data analytics. The main advantage of multi-cloud is flexibility. Organizations can choose the best services from different providers instead of relying on one. It only improves reliability because if one cloud provider experiences downtime, services from another provider can continue operating. However, multi-cloud can also be more complex to manage because each platform has different tools, configurations, and security settings. What's Internet of Things? IoT. It refers to physical devices connected to the internet that can collect and exchange data. These devices include smartwatches, security cameras, smart TVs, sensors, vehicles, and home applications. IoT devices use sensors and network connections to communicate with other devices or systems. For example, smart thermostat can automatically adjust room temperature based on user experience and user preferences. IoT improves automation, efficiency, and convenience in homes, healthcare, transportation, and industries. However, IoT devices can also create security and privacy risks if they are not properly protected. Edge computing and fog computing. Edge computing is a method where data processing happens closer to the device user instead of relying completely on a central cloud server. This reduces delay and improves response time. For example, a self-driving car needs fast data processing to react quickly to road conditions. Fog computing is similar to edge computing, but it uses intermediate devices such as routers or gateways between the cloud and end devices. These fog nodes process and filter data before sending it to the cloud. Both edge and fog computing help reduce latency, improve performance, and decrease network traffic, especially for IoT systems and real-time applications.